किसी का नाइस एक्सपीरियंस
ना टिकट कहाँ जाते हैं ना बंदरा
Oh, I thought tigers.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you the road trip from Hyderabad to Srisailam. This is a 3-day journey and I have split the video in 3 parts, so I hope you will have fun watching it, and let's get started.
Hi.
हाय हाय
अरे 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 Hi. किसी का
Srisailam is one of the most popular tourist destination, which is considered as a weekend getaway for all the Hyderabadis, which can be covered within 2 days. Though 2 days are more than enough to cover Srisailam, but we decided to spend one extra day. So we started Friday morning itself and we planned in such a way that we reach Dindi Dam by afternoon so that we can have our lunch there.
आज ये कैब की फुल प्रिपरेशन आए हैं
So after driving for around 3 hours and covering 132 kilometers, we reached the Dindi reservoir. And as we were extremely hungry, we decided to have our lunch first. So as you can see, there is one government office here, I think related to some fisheries, and all the families were having lunch there, so we set up our place as well.
का तुम लोग जरा अच्छा मुंह रखो कहीं ना का चढ़ा लेगा
नीचे नहीं माँ
खुशी का मुंह रखना खुशी का
जाएंगे मिले
खुशी का मुंह रखना कितनी बड़ी है बचल रोज उंटारा कहते तुम रोज आते जी रोज उंटारा पिछले से
So as you can see, it is not a great tourist spot or anything. This is just kind of, midway to the Srisailam road where you can stop, relax, eat, or take a break for a couple of minutes, and then you can resume your journey to Srisailam. So we spent around 45 minutes to 1 hour at this location. We finished our lunch and now we are going back to our car so that we can resume the journey. Taking this break is absolutely optional if you wish to do it, otherwise you can just go ahead.
डायरेक्ट श्रीशैलम डैम में छवि डैम में उतर जाना छवि क्या भी नहीं
अमराबाद टाइगर रिजर्व
If you want to go Srisailam by train, there is a Malkapur Road railway station which is 90 kilometers away from Srisailam. From there you can take RTC buses or local buses. And if you are planning to go via car, make sure that before 9 PM you exit the forest area.
ये देखिए पूरे हमेशा है दिखाना को
बंदरा
Oh, I thought tigers.
And the nearest airport is Kurnool Airport, which is 180 kilometers away, so there is no point taking it at all. Situated around 227 kilometers away from Secunderabad railway station and around 200 kilometers away from the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Srisailam is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Andhra Pradesh and is considered one of the most important pilgrimage center of Lord Shiva.
Ahan. नहीं है टेंट वाले टेंट है ना रूम देखो
क्या करेंगे
क्या है मिलना नहीं ना एक अच्छा फ्लैट जगह देख लेगा मिलता नहीं है क्या
इतना नहीं है
So around 6 o'clock we reached Srisailam Dam area and we still have some more journey to cover, and as you can understand we are still trying to figure out where we are going to spend our night. but we will see after we reach there. As of now, we are enjoying the journey. The view is beautiful. If you have good cameras, make sure you capture as many pictures as possible because they are going to stay in your memory book forever.
अरे कैमरामैन खराब कर दे रहे हैं सीन पूरा.
Okay, once you cross the bridge, you will be welcomed by very strong smell of dry fish. If you do not like that smell, please bear it for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm giving you a alert heads up. And now this beautiful hut scenery that you see, they are from Harita Resorts. When we went, they were not fully operational. Next time, definitely we are going to check out that location as well.
दौड़ लगा ना जल्दी. अच्छा सब.
Alright, we are in Srisailam town now and it is almost getting dark, so we need to find a hotel and then we are going to check in. We did not do any advance booking. We will find some hotel now. So thanks for joining us in this trip. Day 2's vlog I'm going to upload very soon. As you can see in the picture, we found one very nice hotel. I'll share the details tomorrow.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on